Alright, in this presentation I'll be answering this question I found on the question site. By the end of this video you will have learned what my answer is to this question. The question is, why learn affiliate marketing? Well, if you watch this video start to finish, I have a gift for you just because you did. Let's begin. So, why learn affiliate marketing? Well, if you learn the skill sets to be an internet marketer, you will win. You know, if you learn the skills to promote, to communicate, the skills to try to encourage someone by teaching them, trying to help them with your content, your mindset, your ability to sell, you can impact the world with the knowledge that transforms and empowers. Think about it. You will actually impact the world with the knowledge of affiliate marketing that will transform and empower the viewer, such as what I'm doing with this YouTube channel. You become a teacher, and that will give you the knowledge to the consumer. They say that all you have to do is know one step ahead of the other, and you can teach somebody something you just learned. You can be authority in their eyes. And you'll be able to have wealth helping others by sales. That's right. You will be able to have wealth by helping others, by selling to them affiliate products. Now, I have a training that teaches all this in detail. I made this video very short on purpose. I don't want to bore you with a whole bunch of filler content, and I just want to get right to the point. The question was, why learn affiliate marketing? My question to you is, why not? Why not impact the world by teaching others the knowledge that you have learned about affiliate marketing and how you can transform and empower others? All you have to do is learn a couple of skill sets to be an internet marketer. And I have some information for you if you want to learn more about it. Here's some training that you can go to. If you go to my website, there's a free affiliate marketing gift because you stayed to the end of this video. Once you go to that website, there will be a roadmap at the bottom of the first page. You click that and that will take you to my training. And I have a 2.5-hour training that you're welcome to go through. It will teach you in-depth knowledge of affiliate marketing. So if your question is, why learn it? So you can empower others through the content that you create for affiliate marketing for yourself. That's it for this. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.